I'm Janna. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and we have 2 kids.
And I'm Matt. I do commercial real estate.
We are a very active, busy family, but busy in the way that we're doing things we want to do.
But we do spend a lot of time at home.
We do. We love our house. And for us, projects are one of the things, like when we first got married, they were what we did together.
After a few years of having kind of not nice closet systems.
All my clothes were in our closet, and all his clothes were in the spare bedroom closet.
Then once we knew we were having Adeline, my closet was really going to be the nursery. So we had to make my clothes fit in our room.
We didn't want the closet systems with like wire racks, things that you could see everything, all your clothes sitting out that looked a little messy. So when we looked at the EasyClosets website, we knew we could customize it to exactly the size we wanted, and everything looked clean and crisp.
When I started designing the closets, I kind of just started playing around with a design tool. Once we kind of had a basic design done, then I reached out to one of the designers, had them review and check to make sure everything actually would work. Everything was pre-measured, then EasyClosets cut everything to the exact right size, and it all fit together, and we weren't having to piece it together and make it work. The step-by-step instructions are very easy to follow. It tells you exactly what to do, customized to your specific closet.
For me, I love it because all my clothes are so easily accessible, and I used to have to switch out seasonally, and I don't have to switch out my clothes anymore. For the kids, I like to have all those shelves in there to put picture frames to make it cute and homey.
So I do enjoy designing the closets. We have several here, 3 more that we don't have EasyCloset stuff in. A pantry.
He's talked about it more than once about putting EasyClosets in our
a pantry,
closets.
A linen closet, and our coat closet. So those might come eventually.